mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey ma, we're gonna be alright.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to transform my sister's acne prone, uneven toned skin into simply flawless and even toned glowing skin. After doing her CTM and brow makeup, I'll directly start with concealer under her eyelid and blend it with beauty sponge. Next I'm using loose powder for setting it. Now from Gorgeous Me Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette, I'm taking this shade and applying it in a circular motion as shown in the video. Next I'll take this brown shade for crease line. For outer corner and inner corner, I'll pick this a dark brown shade, and then center part of eyelid I will opt this glittery rose gold shade. At last I will blend this rose gold shade with brown shade, moving towards the most important part of this makeup, color correcting. So I have taken this LA Girl Pro orange color correcting concealer, then blend it. After color correcting, I'm taking this Milani foundation. It's concealer plus foundation. For blending foundation, I'm using beauty sponge. After this, her skin is ready for contouring. I'm taking light and dark concealer stick as shown in the video. Now blend all the highlighted point first and then shadow part of it. For setting all this, I'll take bronzer for shadow part, and for highlighted point I'm using loose powder so that the makeup will stay all long day. Next I'm applying black eyeliner for completing eye look, and then mascara. Next I'm applying this highlighter and blush. For lip, I'll choose this lipstick because she wanted to have a nude shade. Again I'll take this shade for lower lash line, and we are done. Like this video if you liked my efforts, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.